Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.
A is for antelope. A is for antelope. B is for bear. B is for bear. C is for cheetah. C is for cheetah. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. F is for fox. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. H is for horse. I is for ibis. I is for ibis. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for moose. N is for moose. N is for nightingale. N is for nightingale. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quokka. Q is for quokka. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U is for urchin. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for X-ray tetra. X is for X-ray tetra. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Y.
Thanks for watching Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.